Friends, today we'll take a look at HR strategy, terms used in strategy formulation. Strategy formulation is the process of establishing the organization's mission, objectives, and choices among alternative strategies, also called strategic planning. There are two processes that are continuously performed during strategy formulation, namely environmental scanning and continuous improvements. Environmental scanning keeps track of the factors that affect organizational performance. For instance, what in the world competition does to the strategy. Continuous improvement implements part of the strategy and is a continuous process. Strategy is also a broad plan which takes an organization from where it is to where it wants to be. The following are the steps in strategy formulation, namely writing up the mission statement, envision the company profile, and contemplate the external environment so that all the three are in sync with each other and they attain the vision set for the company. Decision making, on the other hand, involves the following steps: sorting out an action plan for the mission statement, deciding on long-term and short-term strategies, deciding upon the budget and resource allocation for short-term strategies, and finally deciding upon a review system so that feedback can be gathered in the completion of each of the steps. Now we will take a look at what is strategic thrust. Strategic thrust are initiatives, so to speak of, or say they are activities arising out of vision statement and aims to achieve and guide action plans to fulfill goals. These initiatives involve research that helps in problem solving on a variety of social issues and community issues depending upon the availability of the information. Now we will take a look at what is strategic assessments. Strategic assessments determine mission statement, identify leadership opportunities and leadership styles. It takes actually an objective view on the vision statement or where we want to reach and think about ways to get there by implementing the appropriate operational or short-term strategies. It also assesses on the progress made on the situation by a continuous feedback and review system and makes sure whether we would ever get to the point in space in terms of the progress made that is forecasted as a result of the vision statement. Next, we'll take a look at strategic options. Strategic options take advantage of actors, trends, opportunities, and threats of the outside world. After scenario analysis, where we analyze alternative possible outcomes, and analysis of competitive positions of the firms and its competitors, where we analyze market share, price of goods and costs, managers identify and evaluate set of strategic options that the firm has in order to get to the desired goals. Once a strategic option is selected from the alternatives, the firm moves on with its implementation that normally involves the business model of the firm.